Hello viewers, I hope you are having a good day. I have requested in the YouTube lot of requests from my viewers and subscribers that to make a video on how to wear the contact lenses for the first time. So I will just discuss in this video the easiest steps for the beginners and who are using for them also it will be helpful how to wear the contact lenses in a very simple and easy way. Before that I will just give my intro. Myself Tion Mukherjee, optometrist, practicing for more than 11 years with experience, and for the last few years I am working in now presently Dubai Abu Dhabi. So without wasting any time I will just go to the topic how to wear the contact lenses. So for contact lenses, when you are wearing, the first step is the most important one, the starting one. You have to wash your hands with soap and water. So this is the first basic step which is to be maintained. Secondly, I will now show you, this is the contact lenses, how it comes. Okay, so you will just open this contact lenses blisters, and inside there is the lens. You just take the lenses, it comes like this, you can see. So you take it in the palm and you put it in the tip of the finger. So when you take the lenses, it should be like this shape. Okay, it should be in the shape of the cup. This is very important. Now I will just remove my glasses and show you how to wear the lenses. The first step, when you are wearing the lenses, you have to hold the eyelid with the eyelash. If you hold like this, your eyes will be getting closed. So this is not correct. You have to hold the eyelid with the eyelash. This is the first step. I will come closer and show you. The second step, with the middle finger, you have to hold and put it down. Okay, then you have to just touch the eye lens in the eye. Take the fingers out, look to the left, right, up and down, and you have to set it. Blink, blink, blink. 3 times you blink, it will be there inside the eyes. So I will just come close and see. You can see these eyes look bigger in size. This is the lens which I put inside the eyes. And initially when you put the lenses in the eyes, it's certain redness can be there, little bit of watering can be there. You see little drops of waters are also there, tearing will be there, and you will feel some irritation in the eye. It will persist for few seconds. After that it will go. Just when you wear the contact lenses, blink 2-3 times, then it will be much more easier. So once more I will repeat the step. With your left hand or right hand, you have to hold the upper eyelid with the eyelash. First step, this is the most important. With the eyelash you hold. Secondly, with the other finger you hold it outward, so the area is big, and then you put the lenses. When you put the lenses, don't leave the hand, look to the left, right, up and down, then leave the lower one, then leave the upper one. So this is the very simple step of wearing the contact lenses. Now I will show you how to remove the contact lenses. And for removing the contact lenses also, the first step is the same, the holding of the eyelids. And for taking the lenses out, you have to pinch the lenses out. For example, this is the eye. When you take the lenses out, don't pinch like this. See, the area is becoming much less. Instead, if you do it from the back side, the below side, you can get a much more area and you can take the lenses out. So I will follow the first step. This is the same. You have to hold the upper eyelid with the eyelash. Okay. Second step, with the middle finger, hold it and pull it down. Then in this finger, you just you just touch the lens, you feel the lenses, take it outside and you just take it out. See, the lens is out. It's a very few seconds process, but initially when you start wearing the lenses, it will take few minutes times. First time when you will be wearing it can take up to 5, 10, 15 minutes time, but with the practice it will be much more easier. And some of the other things also I want to tell you. If you are using the contact lenses for the first time, whenever you are wearing the contact lenses, if any point of time if you are getting any redness or irritation or burning sensation, initially when you put the lens, that is perfectly fine. But any normal time if you are having any redness in the eyes, try to avoid the contact lenses, or any other irritation you are persisting for a very long time, then you can remove the contact lenses. These are very much important. These are the very basic things, and I will just tell you some of the basic things also which you can maintain while wearing the contact lenses. First of all, as I told, wash your hands properly with soap and water. Secondly, when you wear the contact lenses, since you are using first time, put a towel in front of you and try to wear the lenses. So if it falls, it will fall on the towel and you can very easily find the lenses to take it out. Sometimes what happens at the time of trying, the lens falls on the ground and you will just unnecessarily panic. You will feel the lenses inside the eyes and you will try to search and you will not get the lenses. So always place a towel and put the lenses. So if it fall, it will fall there and we can take it out. And regarding the basic care and maintenances, you will get a case with that one. If you are using the reusable lenses, you have to always soak the lenses in the solution. Otherwise the lens will become hard and dry. I will make a separate video about the care and maintenance of the contact lenses, so you can just stay updated. Once you will see that, you will also get the idea. So this video is basically only to how to wear and remove the contact lenses in a very easy way. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with the others also, so that others can also benefit. For as of now, today, thank you, bye bye.